buckets which are available in the market, they have the tap. So you can tap, you can take out that liquid and you can dilute into the water and you can water irrigate your plants. Okay, but if you don't have a tap, so what to do? Then you put in the bottom, you put some absorbent material, so that whatever liquid will be formed during composting, that will be absorbed by this material. This material could be sawdust, leaves, existing compost, potting soil, anything. So this is the first process. So I am using actually compost. This is very easy for me because this already have the same bacteria. So this act as a bran also, bokashi bran. So you just put 2-inch layer of this into the bucket. Okay, I have not put exactly 2 inch. Don't issue me NCR. But just example. So then this is kitchen waste. Kitchen waste.
Someone can video it because I have less memory.
Photo is okay, video not okay.
Make it video. That will be very useful.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the kitchen waste. Any kitchen waste can work. It is desirable don't to put the meat actually, because meat or bones takes too much time to compost. Then you have to wait for a long time and then lot of worms will generate it. So it is better, yes, you can put eggshell, all the vegetable. Don't put any liquid like juice or milk, dry part or curry, don't put. The fruit, vegetable, cooked food, bread, anything it can be put.
So peels of all vegetables.
All vegetables, all fruits, banana, everything you can put. Even bread. Cooked one, it is not desirable, but if you have a cooked one in a dry condition, you can put. But never put the wet part because it will spoil whole. Okay, now this is the waste you have put. Now this is the bacteria. It is called bokashi bran. So you just sprinkle little bit quantity, that much of quantity. It's more than enough. Because this bacteria increase family day by day. Tomorrow this will be in thousands number actually. So you just put that. And any plastic, because this bacteria don't like air, don't like oxygen. It works without oxygen. So it is better to cover that, because this bucket is not full now. It may take for a normal kitchen to take 1 week time to fill it. So better the top surface you cover it. So you already sprinkled, you press it, and you just cover with any polythene or any cover and close this. Next day, whenever more kitchen waste, you put that, sprinkle that little bit and close.
So remove the plastic or?
No, obviously, plastic has to be. Plastic just acts actually, it disconnects the waste from the oxygen or from the air actually. Otherwise, lot of these larvae and fruit flies, you can see that. It could be a small plate also, small, anything. Just so.
Just add one thing, it needs to be in anaerobic condition.
This anaerobic condition means no oxygen. You
Anaerobic
don't see any hole, anything, sealed condition. It is good for a kitchen. You can keep into the kitchen. But if you, okay, little bit, when you open, little bit smell like a vinegar, it will come. But you have to digest that much. It is, that smell is better than the smell which you are throwing outside, and it is spoiling our atmosphere. And lot of people are, having problem with that. So doing this like it will be filled. Once it is full, that also, after that also sprinkle that and leave it for 1 week. 1 week, this whole waste will become like a pickle. It will become like a pickle. So if you smell, it will smell like a pickle, like a vinegar. Some people like, some people don't like, but no need to smell. You can keep there. Okay? But this is the first stage only. Now the second stage is that Arabic part. For Arabic part, if you have a villa, you just put that, put a hole. If you have garden, put the hole into the soil and put this and cover it. Soil has the what you call that, pores, holes. So it will give aeration to that. If you live in a balcony, if you live in an apartment, then use another bucket which has the holes all around. Okay. So in that what you do, and you keep the leaves of किधर गया leaves वाला? यही है ना?
हाँ वही
वो जो लीव वाला एक अलग था ना जो जिसमें
अलग था वो गाड़ी में
कोई बात नहीं, no problem. ये this is, so you consider that this is a leaf. So mix this with the leaves in 1:4 ratio. 1 ratio wet and 4 ratio dry. Dry has the carbon and the wet has the nitrogen. So you mix this into this and leave for 2 months or 1.5 months. So now we are, say, after 1 week. After 1 week, you just add the dry leaves. You can add sawdust. You can add paper also, shredded paper. But that, in my opinion, it takes more time because that has chemical coating, ink, all the things. So like that, you mix it, and you put in this bucket which has the hole. That's it. And cover with the lid and forget for 2 months.
2 months.
If you have a time, every week you can shake it actually, so that it has these holes are not blocked and the bacteria get oxygen from all around. So you can put like this, you can this like this, and after 2 months time. This is actually made in 45 days. This is 45 days. But safer side, you can wait for 2 months. In 2 month time, this all will be like this. Yes, some pieces may be bigger. Then what you do, you can sieve it also. The quality wise, property wise, there is no difference. It is a smaller part or a bigger part. But some people don't like this. They like this uniform size. So for the uniform size, you just sieve that and keep and store it. And if this is still not properly made, you transfer this into the jute bag, gunny bags, because gunny bag has the airs all around. It gives a very good aeration. So this material you put into the gunny bag and forget, and then start your new composting. So this cycle keep going. So this is very useful for the plants. Every 1 month, little bit this you can sprinkle on in your pot around the plant. So this act as a mulching also. This act as a fertilizer manure also. Like at my site, I never buy. I don't buy. If I buy, I will be bankrupt very soon. so what I do, I use the dune sand and I use this compost and I mix it and I plant it. Very nice property, good property, and you can see all the plants are very green. And no problem in that actually. We all should contribute for our environment actually.
Yeah.
We keep making photograph or sticker or logos or blah blah blah, but on the ground something we should do. So this is a very good. In my opinion, if we are throwing organic waste to the skip, we are actually committing a crime. It's a civil crime, environmental crime. So we should stop that. And I'm ready to teach anyone. I can go there, I can explain that. And if you don't have after this waste, if you think that how to handle that wet waste after 1 week, don't worry, you give to me. I will take it and I will compost that. Lot of other people do like that only. So they feel very difficult how to handle, how to mix, where to keep. Don't worry, you give this to me or all other gardeners, they will keep very easily and they will make compost from this. So,
For this,
if any question, anybody, anything I can ask now or after, or any doubt, any.
If we have to make this
That's fine. Yeah.
if we have to make this
Yeah.
wet to compost, how to do it?
What?
If we have to make this wet materials,
Yeah.
wet items that we prepared as a compost, as a dry compost, how to do it? Instead of giving to your
we use our dry material.
Yeah, yeah,